Hello there, all of you. Welcome back. We are continuing with the lesson decimal. Today we are going to see how to find out the decimal part or the fractional part from a diagram. Okay, from a figure, from a diagram. Okay, how to know or how to find out a fraction from a diagram. Okay, so let's see that. We have a circle over here and we are dividing it. My drawings are not so good, but I will try my best to do that. These are not so equal. Let me see that how I can draw this. Okay, so how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Yeah, so we have 10 parts over here. Now let me shade this. Okay, let me shade how many parts over here? 3 parts. So let me shade this. I'm shading this. 1, 2, and this third part also. Total how many pieces are there? We know that we have 10 pieces, right? Out of 10 pieces, how many of them are shaded? 3 shaded, right? So how can you write the fraction of this? We can write the fraction as 3 out of 10, right? The fraction is 3 out of 10. 3 portion of the drawing is shaded. So we can write that 3 out of 10 is the fractional part of this fraction. You might have learned the fraction, right? Have you learned the fraction? In the fraction, this is same as the fraction. So when you represent the decimal in fraction, we write like this. Means 3 out of 10 pieces are shaded. And how will you write this in decimal form? How do you write this? We know that it's 3/10. What do you mean by 3/10? See, it's 3/10. So when the 10th means 10th is on the number line next to the decimal point. See, this is the 10th place, right? So straight away 3 is over here. So how can we write this? We can write this as 0.3. Did you get this? So this is how we represent a figure, a diagram. From a diagram, you can represent this as a fraction, and from a fraction, when you convert that to the decimals, we get the same thing. And vice versa also. If someone is asking you that, okay, from a decimal, suppose I'm having a 0.13. So you have to convert that into fractions. What will you do? You know that this is what? This is in the 1 is in the 10th place and 3 is in the 100th place. That means we have a 100th place over here. So when we convert it, so look at the number line. See, you don't have to write the number line always. I'm just drawing this and showing you that you'll get an idea of this. You don't have to write. You just draw this on in your mind. Don't do this, okay? This is not a good, I mean, I'm just showing you this. In the school or whenever you're doing this, put in your mind and just start doing it. Okay, straight away you know that this is in 100th place, right? तो क्या करना है अपने को straight away we know that 3 is in the 100th place, so we know that it's 13 by 100. That means 13 portion out of 100. Okay, 13 portion out of 100 is shaded. Suppose if I'm drawing something over here, like suppose if I'm having this, okay, this great figure, if I'm having this, suppose this is 100, okay, suppose this is 100, okay, and from this 100, 13 portion, 13 part of that is divided. Suppose if I'm going to divide this into 10 parts, 1, 2, roughly I'm drawing this. Suppose if I divide this 100 into 10 pieces, and in 10 pieces it said that, see, 13 portion is shaded. That means this one is completely 10, so this will be shaded completely, no doubt in that. This 3 is shaded, and 13, we need 13. This 10 portion is divided. Now it is only, this is only 10 by 100, but we want 13 by 100. So what we will do, for 13 by 100 you have to shade more. See, this much portion of the next 10 will also be shaded, so it becomes 3. This is 10, this is 3, so it becomes 10 plus 3 out of 100. So you'll get that as 13 out of 100. So this is how to represent or to find out from a figure. Suppose if you have given a figure, आपको एक figure मिला है और आपको उसमें से एक fraction और decimal बनाना है. So this is how you have to think on that, कि क्या है, कितना portion of that है ये. Okay, so this is how you do a fraction and a decimal from a given figure. Okay, hope you all understood this. If you have any doubts, give me in the comment, or just tell me if you have any doubts on this. Okay, thank you all of you. Let's see you in the next video. Take care.